That's the first indication on this mild spring feeling January day that some rain showers are making their way now over the state line out of Indiana. These are some lighter rain showers on a day that has felt a whole lot like spring. So go ahead and take that nice breath of fresh air as you step out the door this evening. We've got temperatures that have jumped well up into the 50s, something that does happen in the month of January, but it's a nice reprieve from the colder weather that we have had. So what's happening right now, mild and dry for many areas. Those showers just beginning to arrive west of Toledo. Record highs still going to be expected for tomorrow, right around 60 degrees. And what's up next, several chances of rainfall that will be out there. Now, even with the mild weather this evening, we're going to stay well into the upper 40s and low 50s for overnight lows. We're at 53 in Findlay, 57 in Defiance, 52 in Bryan, where a little bit of light rain is just beginning to arrive. But look at this tug of really warm spring feeling air. Not hard to pick out the cold front, is it? Now just making its way out of the central plains and into the northern plains. That's what eventually is going to arrive by the end of the weekend. But initially, we're going to get a surge of much warmer air. Here's the warm front that's going to be pushing toward us. That passes through tonight. It will come with a few heavier areas of rain and downpours. No risk of any severe weather or thunderstorms, although that does creep into northern Indiana, where they have a marginal level 1 out of 5 risk of a storm or two. Record high going to be possible tomorrow, right around that 60-degree mark. If we hit it, it will best the current standing record that was set 145 years ago. It has at least stood for that amount of time of 59 degrees. Now, here's what's unusual. I think it's going to happen tomorrow morning. We're going to go rising between now and daybreak. Here's the clock, 9 a.m. This is around the time we could get the record high close to 60 degrees. Be advised, though, it is not going to last. By 1 p.m. in the afternoon, we may shave off 20 degrees, falling back into the low 40s, and eventually, by Friday evening, it is back to winter coats. We will be in the 30s. Now, it will come with a couple rounds of rain, one that happens tonight, lingering into tomorrow morning. Then we'll see some clearing. That's when we could get that record high tomorrow morning, and then some additional showers that will be possible with another low as we get into Saturday as colder air marches into the area. We'll put you right around 60 degrees on Friday, but keep in mind, we are going to tumble through the afternoon. We'll drop back into the 40s progressively through the afternoon. Some on and off showers, but largely Friday may be a mainly dry but windy day. Winds gusting to 45 miles per hour. Saturday, some on and off showers, lower 40s. Cold enough, we get a few snowflakes Sunday, 32 degrees. Nothing that will accumulate, and there's no need for the snow shovel the next several days. We'll see highs in the upper 30s into Monday. Tuesday, back into the lower 40s. Then Wednesday, mid-30s with a light rain snow mix. And some indications are toward the end of the 10-day forecast. Then it may turn colder, dropping back into the 20s by the time we reach the end of next weekend, which would put us now well into the second half of January.
It was amazing to watch that radar loop, Chris.
You can't blame the cold on that.
As it made its way kind of up I-75, maybe around Auburn Hills, everything shifted.
It did, yeah. So time of the year, especially with the winds, the shift in the temperatures, things are going to kind of be all over the place. So watch over the next 24 hours. Not really going to be a big rain event. Heaviest of the rain occurs overnight tonight. We'll have wind and then plunging temperatures tomorrow. It's one of those days I always caution you. Kids are going to want to step out the door. No jackets, no coats. Yeah. They're going to need them by the time they come home from school, because it will feel 20 to 30 degrees colder into the afternoon.
All right, thanks so much, Chris.